Hello children, today's class English for Standard 3 Essay 2 Examination Revision. Hello children, now let us see the meanings. Sunny, bright day. Sunny, bright day. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright day. D-A-Y, day. Loudly, much noise. Loudly, much noise. M-U-C-H, much noise. N-O-I-S-E, noise. Begins, start with. Begins, start with. S-T-A-R-T, start with. W-I-T-H, with. Thunder, a loud grumbling. Thunder, a loud grumbling. A loud, L-O-U-D, loud grumbling. R-U-M-B-L-I-N-G, grumbling. Picnic, going for a day out. Picnic, going for a day out. Now let us see the opposite, children. Clean, dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Clean, dirty. Sunny, rainy. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Sunny, rainy. Hot, cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Hot, cold. Dark, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Dark, bright. High, low. L-O-W, low. High, low. L-O-W, low. Start, end. E-N-D, end. Start, end. E-N-D, end. This is the opposite for you all. Kindly go through with your PDF, children. Now let us see, frame the sentence, children. The word will be given to you and you should frame the own sentence and write it. Raincoat. My mom told me to wear a raincoat when it rains. Funny. The joker was very funny in the circus. Thunder. I heard the thunder sound when it rained. Picnic. Nalan went for a picnic. Where we should wear cotton clothes in summer time. Okay, children. Next we'll see rhyming words. Funny, sunny. Funny, sunny. S-U-N-N-Y, sunny. Rain, train. T-R-A-I-N, train. Rain, train. T-R-A-I-N, train. Sky, high. H-I-G-H, high. Sky, high. H-I-G-H-I. Low, blow. B-L-O-W, blow. B-L-O-W, blow. Low, blow. Children, these are the rhyming words. You can go to with your book back exercise also. You can find it in your textbook. Now children, let us see who said to whom. So the dialogue will be given to you. You should write who said these words to whom. Okay. No, my dear, now the sky is clear. Who said these words to whom? Mother said these words to Nalan. Mother said these words to Nalan. The second one, will it rain today, mommy? Who said these words to whom? Nalan said these words to his mother. Nalan said these words to his mother. Now the third one, I heard thunder. Will it rain very soon? Who said these words to whom, children? Nalan said these words to his mother. Nalan said these words to his mother. These are the who said to whom. So the dialogue will be given and the question will be asked. You should write who said these words to whom. Next we go for the answer the following. Next, answer the following. What did Nalan get from his parents? Nalan got red raincoat from his parents. How was the sun on Monday? The sun was bright and sunny on Monday. Where did Nalan go on Thursday? Nalan went on a picnic on Thursday. How did the Saturday begin? Saturday begins with a bang, dum dum dum. Do you enjoy the rain? Why? Yes, I enjoy the rain because the climate is pleasant. This is the answer the following for the prose 1. Raincoat. You can go through with your PDF and you must have already written in your classwork, children. Kindly learn with the spelling. It is very important. Now let us see the poem, children. Welcoming Spring. The first 6 lines are your memory poem. We are going to learn it and then you are going to write and see. In the test, it will be asked for you as a memory poem. Welcome spring. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. Catch from eggs in the nest, the birds to join the feast. The leaves green and flowers swing. Do you know that it is spring? Again, I am repeating the poem. The 6 lines are memory poem for you all children. Kindly learn it and write it as a poem. Don't write it as a paragraph. It is like written like paragraph, then Miss will strike out and give you 0 mark for the memory poem. So see the poem how it is written. The full stop, comma, everything should be there. The punctuation should be there correctly in the poem. Again, I am repeating the poem. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. Hatched from eggs in the nest, the birds to join the feast. The leaves green and flowers swing. Do you know that it is spring? So kindly learn the memory poem, children, and write it in a correct form with punctuations. Okay. Next we'll see the next Roman letter. Now let us see rhyming words for the memory poem. Whole, foal, whole, foal, F-O-A-L, foal. Nest, fest, nest, fest, F-E-S-T, fest. Swing, spring, swing, spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Back, black, B-L-A-C-K, black. Back, black. Bees, trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. Bees, trees, T-R-E-E-S, trees. Hum, come, C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. Hum, come. These are the rhyming words for the memory poem, children. Next, we'll see the answer the following. Answer the following. Who came out of the hole? Rabbit came out of the hole. Who came out of the hole, children? Rabbit came out of the hole. Who joined the feast? The birds joined the feast. Who joined the feast? The birds joined the feast. Which season the poem talks about? The poem talks about spring season. The poem talks about spring season. Now, fourth question. Name the animals who were humming. Bear, rabbit and bees. Bear, rabbit and bees. Why all are enjoying? The spring is come, so all are enjoying. Why all are enjoying? The spring is come, so all are enjoying. Children, these are the poem question answers. You can go through with your PDF and your classwork and book back exercises in your textbook. So it will be easy for you all to write your exam. Next we go for grammar section. In this grammar section we are going to see describing nouns. I have already taken a class in Google Meet for you all. What is a describing noun? A word which describes more about an adjective of a person, place, animal or things. It also describes a color or taste, quality of a person, place, animal or things. These are called as a describing nouns. Here I have given few examples how to underline the describing nouns, children. You can find it in the revision portion here, but same sentence will never come. It will come in different sentence. You have to identify the describing nouns and underline it. The first sentence is Rita have a dash doll, pink doll. Rita has a pink doll. So pink is a describing noun. So it identify the color. So it is a describing noun. Peacock is a beautiful bird. Here, beautiful stands the quality of a peacock. It is beautiful. So, beautiful is a describing noun. Sham is a clever boy. Here, the character of the boy stands. So, clever is a describing noun. Sham is a boy. What type of boy is? Is a clever boy. So clever stands as a describing word. Terry has a blue shirt. Terry has a shirt. But Terry, what shirt is having? Blue shirt. So it is a describing word. Next is Dan sat on the broken chair. Dan sat on the chair. What type of chair he sat? He sat on the broken chair. So broken stands as a describing word. So these are the describing word. Underline the describing word. You should underline the describing word and you should write it in your exam. This is the way you have to write it. Okay children, in this followed by we will give you about the supplementary. Miss has not given you any type of supplementary here. It is a reading a passage and answer the question below. You need to read a story. Miss will give you a story. You need to read a story. The question will be given to you below. You can mark the answer from that story and you can write it. Okay children, this is come as a supplementary for y'all. Okay, the book textbook story only will come. Don't think I will give any other story also. That's why miss have not shown you in the revision, but read the passage and answer the question below is only that. You need to read the story and answer it. Whatever the question is given below, you should answer according to that story. Okay children, next we go for the composition. Children, now let us see the composition. My school. You can write it in your own sentence or as miss given you can follow it and write it up. Okay children, it is only to develop your skill of thinking and writing skill. Now let us see go for the composition. My school. My school name is Danish Matriculation Higher Secondary School. There are more than 1500 students in my school. The students in my schools are obedient and studious. My school has a big playground and students are given opportunity to excel in sports. I love my school very much. This is a small paragraph type I've given. It's a 5 sentence only I've given. You can write it by your own children or you can follow up the same composition and you can write it up. No problem. Note, children, kindly continue to write your essay to examination in your test note itself. No need to write it in separate paper or anything. Kindly write it in your test note itself. Thank you children.